Free air conditioning? Stop teasing. How can there be such a good thing these days? Unless you watch this video? Because this time it's really not a joke. DC Hydro does offer completely free air conditioning. It also includes free installation services. But don't expect them to deliver directly to your door. You need to understand his application process first. So if you have confidence in your luck, then keep watching this video. Learn how to apply. Maybe you are the lucky one. You can enjoy this unexpected surprise. Don't let doubt blind you. After watching this video, you will find free air conditioning and free installation are really not a dream. Start your application journey. Let this summer not be a dream. The next video will reveal how to apply for a free heat pump. Please pay attention to watch.